centimeter. Today, I'm going to speak Tagalog.
The first lesson
The first lesson,
is maganda.
maganda.
What is that?
Uh,
Beautiful.
beautiful.
Say it again.
Beautiful.
How about the Tagalog? Maganda.
Maganda.
How about pogi?
Pogi.
Kuya Jethro
Kujeta.
is
Pogi.
pogi. What does that mean? Handsome.
Handsome.
And how about kamusta?
Kumusta?
Say kamusta.
Kumusta?
Kamusta po.
Kumusta po?
What does it mean?
Hello.
Hello. How are you? That means how are you?
How are you?
Yeah, that's kamusta po.
Kumusta po?
How about what is the Tagalog of rice? Kanin. Kanin.
Kanin.
Yeah, kanin. The name. What's the Tagalog of name? Pangalan.
Paawan. Pa?
Pangalan.
Nawan.
Pangalan.
Panawan.
How about mabait?
Mabait.
What is mabait? Kind.
Kind.
Yeah, say it again. Si
Mabait.
Kay
Sky Kai.
ay
Ay.
mabait
Mabait.
na bata.
Na bata.
Si Kay
Si Kai Kai.
ay
Ay.
matalino
Marcelino.
bata.
Bata.
Si Kay
Si Kai Kai.
ay
Ay.
masipag
Masipag.
na bata.
Na bata.